Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a vendor or supplier in Zoho Books. If you're managing purchases and need to track your suppliers efficiently, this process will help you organize all vendor information in one centralized location. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account using your username and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your business account to access all the necessary features. After logging in, you'll land on the Zoho Books home screen. Take a look at the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your business finances. Locate and click on Purchases. This will expand a menu with several purchase-related options. From this expanded menu, click on Vendors. This section is specifically designed to manage all your supplier relationships and contact information. You'll now be directed to the Vendors menu, which displays all existing vendors in your system. To add a new one, click on Create New Vendor. This button takes you to a dedicated form where you can input all the relevant details about your new supplier. On the new vendor creation page, you'll see several fields that need to be filled in. Start with the essential information like primary contact, company name, display name, email address, phone number, and vendor language. These details ensure you can easily communicate with and identify each vendor in your records. Next, scroll down further to add additional details that help with accounting and payment management. Under this section, you can add tax rates if your vendor charges specific taxes, input a company ID if applicable, select the currency your transactions will be conducted in, and assign an accounts payable account. You can also enter an opening balance if you already owe this vendor money from previous transactions, and set payment terms to define when payments are due. There's also an option to enable portal access for this vendor, which allows them to log in and view their invoices and payment status directly. Additionally, you can upload documents such as written contracts, agreements, or identification files to keep everything organized in one place. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click the Save button to add this vendor to your Zoho Books account. And that's it. Your new vendor is now added and ready for you to start tracking purchases and payments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.